Good morning. Today we are going to solve one problem in conversion method. Question: Bharati does not maintain her books of accounts under double entry system. From the following details, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date. A cash book is given in the question. Then other information. In other information, opening and closing balances of assets and liabilities given. Then additional information. Additional information. Opening capital is given here. Children, our first step in conversion method is the preparation of statement of affairs. Here opening capital is given. So no need to prepare opening statement of affairs. Then our second step is the preparation of total debtors account. In this question, closing balance of debtors is not given. So we should calculate that closing debtors. How can we calculate closing debtors? Okay, by preparing total debtors account, we will get the closing balance of debtors. Okay, so the first step in this problem is calculation of total debtors account. Children, before solving total debtors account, let me to explain cash book. What is cash book? Cash book shows all cash receipts and cash payments. All cash receipts are recorded on the debit side and all cash payments are recorded on the credit side. Cash is an asset, so opening balance has debit balance. What is the first item given on the debit side? The first item on debit side is to balance brought down. It is the opening cash balance. Okay, what is to balance brought down means opening cash in hand, opening balance of cash. Okay, next to sales. Children, from the ledger, develop a journal. Okay, what is the journal for this transaction? Cash account debit to sales. Okay, then what is the transaction? The transaction is cash sales. Okay, what is to cash sales? The journal is cash account debit to sales. That means cash sales. Okay, children, take these cash sales to the trading account. While doing trading account, you should take cash sales from cash book. Okay, the next item is to debtors account. Develop the journal. The journal is cash account debit to debtors. That means cash received from debtors. Take this amount to the total debtors account. Okay, children, then come to the credit side. What is the first item on credit side? Buy purchases. Develop journal. Purchases account debit to cash account is the journal. It means cash purchases. Take these cash purchases to the trading account. Okay, next, buy creditors. It means cash paid to creditors. Take it to the total creditors account. Next, buy general expenses. It means general expenses paid. It is an indirect expense, so take it to the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay, next, buy wages. It means wages paid. Wages is the direct expense, so take it to the debit side of trading account. Okay, next, last item, buy balance carried on. It is the closing balance of cash in hand. It is an asset, so take it to the balance sheet. While doing closing balance sheet, you should take this amount as cash in hand. Okay, children, while solving problem, you should take items, transactions from cash book. Okay, then do the first step. What is that first step? Total debtors account. Then draw the total debtors account in the books of Bharati. Debtors account, total debtors account. Draw the account. First step, opening balance. To balance brought down amount 38,000. Then come to the credit side. First item on the credit side is cash received from debtors. From where do we get this? Okay, children, take it from the cash book. Okay, amount 1,20,000. Then other items on credit side. What are the items? Sales return. Then bad debts. Then bills receivable, etc. That items are not given in the question. Okay, so next item on the credit side is the closing balance of sundry debtors. Write as by balance carried down. Children, the closing balance is not given, so leave the space. Then come to the debit side. Then here credit sales balance is given, so enter credit sales on the debit side. Children, do you know the reason? Credit sales increases the debtors. Any item which increases the debtors shown on the debit side. Okay, so enter credit sales on the debit side as 2 credit sales 1,40,000. Now we entered all items on debtors. Now balance total debtors account. Here debit side is greater than the credit side. Debit side total is 1,78,000. Credit side total is 1,20,000. The difference is 58,000 and write the difference on the lighter side. That means just above the grand total. You already left space for writing this amount. Okay, children, write 58,000 straight to closing balance. By balance carry down in bracket, write closing balance again in bracket balancing figure. Okay. Then next step. What is the next step? Okay, preparation of total creditors account. Children, in our question, opening and closing balance of creditors given. Then credit purchases is also given. Cash purchases is given in the cash book. That means all information given in the question, so need not prepare total creditors account. Thus, the next step is the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. Draw the trading and profit and loss account. Write the title, trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and enter the transaction on the debit side. Debit side first item is 2 opening stock 40,000. Then 2 purchases. Cash purchases given in cash book. Credit purchases given in additional information. Okay. Enter by purchases. Cash purchases inner column 56,000. Add credit purchases 74,000. Underline. Write the amount in outer column. What is that amount? 1,30,000. Okay. Then direct expenses. Only one direct expense given in the question. What is that? Wages. So enter as 2 wages 10,000. Okay, children, what are the debit side items? 2 opening stock 40,000. 2 purchases, cash purchases 56,000. Add credit purchases 74,000. Underline, write the sum in outer column. Then 2 wages 10,000. Okay, come to the credit side. Credit side first item is by sales. Cash sales 1,60,000. Add credit sales 1,40,000. Underline, write the sum in outer column. Then closing stock by closing stock 60,000. Now we entered all items on trading account. Then balance trading account. Credit side total is 3,60,000 and debit side total is 1,80,000. The difference is 1,80,000. Write the amount just above the grand total and write to gross profit carry down in bracket transferred to profit and loss account. Then continue the account and write the same figure on the opposite side just below the grand total and write by gross profit brought down. Children, then enter all indirect expenses and income. In our question, general expenses is the indirect expense. Enter as 2 general expenses on the debit side 24,000. Okay, how 2 general expenses 24,000. Next, depreciate machinery by 10% per annum. Enter as 2 depreciation on machinery. Show the calculation in particular column. What is the amount of machinery? 1,70,000. 1,70,000 into 10 by 100 is equal to 17,000. Write 17,000 in outer column. Now we entered all indirect expenses. No incomes here. So balance profit and loss account. Credit side total is 1,80,000 and debit side total is 41,000. The difference 1,39,000 is the net profit. Right? To net profit transferred to capital account. Okay. Next step, balance sheet. See the question. Take all assets and liabilities on balance sheet. Draw the balance sheet. Write the title. Then first enter all assets on the asset side. Children, first take the closing balance of cash book. That means cash in hand. Closing balance of cash in hand. What is that? 1,42,000. Then other assets. Stock 60,000. Debtors. Children, closing debtors not given here. So you should take the balance of total debtors account. What is the balance of total debtors account? 58,000. Okay. Next, creditor is a liability. Enter on the liability side. Next, machinery is an asset. Enter on the asset side. It has adjustment. So enter the amount in inner column. Okay. Machinery, inner column 1,70,000. Less depreciation 17,000, underline and write the balance in outer column. Okay, no more assets. Then liability side we already entered creditors. Next, capital, opening capital 2,22,000. Add net profit. Then no more transaction. Find the total. You will get tally balance. Okay, children, solve exercise 18. Question. Mary does not keep her books under double entry system. From the following details, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the renting 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date. Cash book is given here. Then other information, closing balance of debtors is not given. Then in additional information, opening capital is given. So, first step in this problem is total debtors account. First item on debtors account debit side, to balance brought down, opening balance 1,30,000. Then in opposite side, cash received from debtors, take it from the cash book. What is the amount? 3,40,000. Okay. Next, no other transaction on debtors account. Enter the closing balance. Closing balance of debtors is not given. So write as by balance carry down. Leave the space for writing the amount. Then come to the debit side. Credit sales is given. So enter the credit sales. To credit sales 2,90,000. Now we entered all items on the debtors account. Balance the debtors account. You will get closing debtors 80,000. Okay. Then the creditors opening and closing balance given. Cash purchases and credit purchases also given. So no need to prepare total creditors account. So the next step is the preparation of trading and profit and loss account, and write the title, draw the account and write the title. Okay, then enter on the debit side 2 opening stock 1,10,000, 2 purchases, inner column cash purchases 1,50,000, add credit purchases 2,90,000, underline, write the sum in outer column. Next, two wages you will get from the cash book, amount 70,000. Okay, what are the items on the debit side? 2 opening stock 1,10,000, 2 purchases, cash purchases 1,50,000, add credit purchases 1,80,000, underline, write in outer column. Next, 2 wages 70,000. Okay, then come to the credit side. Buy sales, cash sales 3,60,000, add credit sales 2,90,000, underline, write the sum in outer column. Next, buy closing stock 1,80,000. Then no more transaction, balance the trading account, you will get to gross profit 3,20,000 and continue the profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account debit side items. 2 sundry expenses 1,27,000. Next, 2 depreciation on furniture, show the calculation in inner column. Furniture amount, where is furniture? Okay, 80,000 into 10 by 100, amount 8,000 in outer column. Then no more transaction, find the balance, you will get a net profit 1,85,000. Okay, the next balance sheet, first enter asset on asset side. First enter the closing balance of cash book, otherwise you will forget to take it. First closing cash balance 2,23,000. Next, stock of goods, closing stock 1,80,000. Sundry debtors, closing balance is not given in the question, so you should take it from the balancing figure of total debtors account. What is that? 80,000. Next, sundry creditors, enter on the liability side. Furniture is an asset, enter on the asset side. It has adjustments, so write in inner column 80,000. Less depreciation 8,000, underline, write 72,000 in outer column. Then no more transaction, enter capital on liability side. Okay, opening capital 2,80,000, add net profit 1,85,000. Then no more transaction, no drawings. Okay, then underline, write the amount in outer column and find the total, you will get a tally balance. Okay children, thank you.